our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have here two sample trash bins labeled as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. We also have here some sample trash. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our eclectic pirate named Rio and Star. Together with the bird trainers, Miss Debbie and Mr. James. Now, eclectic pirate, they are dimorphic birds, meaning they can fly as a male or a female just by looking at their colors. Male eclectus have bright green color, just like Rio, while female eclectus have bright red in color, just like Star. Now, their favorite food in the wild, they mainly eat fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Now, they have a long lifespan. They can live up to 40 to 60 years. Now, everyone, can you wave back and say, "Hello, Jumbo"? Some macaws have very long tails with feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail. With a tail and steady wings. Now, lastly, macaws have zygidactyl feet. They can live up to 40 to 60 years.
Ay, dati sila yung whistle naman.
Now, macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quiet as the third largest pirate globally. While the green-winged mother ranked as the second largest pirate. Saranophus are flying macaws. Thank you, Sir Miss Jihan. Now, large-billed crow, or they're commonly known here as uwak, or they also called as the jungle crow. Now, it is considered as a medium-sized bird. It can grow up to 40 to 50 centimeters from their beak to their... What's next, buddy? Take your time. There's no need to rush. Now, crows are black. It is because of melanin, the same pigment that gives colors to our hairs and skin. Great job, buddy. Next one. Now, we will keep doing this repeatedly 4 to 5 times. Put the stone inside. While they have a short lifespan, they can only live up to 8 to 10 years. But in here, they can live much longer, 20 to 25 years. Sancuñors. Now, sancuñors are also known as sand parakeets. They are very playful, social, and gone. Now, sancuñors, they are monogamous type of bird, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when their partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another mating partner. They're also monomorphic, meaning twin dolphin cockatoo named Lilo and Luna. Now, dolphin cockatoo, they are playful and curious birds. They love to explore their surroundings. Now, this is one of their natural behaviors in the wild. They can fly between branches, leaves, and trees to navigate. Bro, do you get the part? Now, for the next one is a telephone ringing. Now, last one is a whistle. Now, for the first song. I love you more than... One more time.
I think wala ka
Last one.
Kasi walang kalog.
Now see how talented pirates are. Gentlemen, Keep your eyes alert to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter.
Roy.
Considered as a medium size of raptor, it can grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters in length with a Bella. Now, eastern grass owl are nocturnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the night time. Now, when they fly, they're almost silent. It is because of their special feathers that helps them glide quietly in the night, making. Now, brownie kite are the real-world reflection of Garuda, a guardian figure that symbolizes power, protection, and divine guidance in various cultures. Again, they have a lifespan of 20 to 30 years. Thank you so much, Miss Debbie. Tiger and Sky. Now, brownie kite, they practice leptoparasitism, or they love to snatch their foods from other birds, even in mid-air. Now, then they snatches like prey and steals from fish and also hunting birds. That's why they are called as the snatching. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now, before we come to the end of the show, I would like to introduce you the people behind the success of this show. So our bird trainers here in stage, we have here Mr. Charles, Miss Debbie, Miss Rachel, and Mr. James. To make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, yours truly, my name is Sasin. We hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you so much and enjoy. Alright, now for those who want to take pictures of our photograph birds, kindly form a line here at the center. We have our official photographers, the view group.